thing no other planet does. During summer, it gets colder. That makes absolutely no sense. On Earth, summer means more sunlight. More sunlight means more heat. Simple. But Neptune seems to ignore the rules completely, and the deeper scientists looked into this frozen planet, the stranger everything became. At first glance, Neptune looks peaceful, calm blue clouds drifting across a silent world. But beneath that beautiful appearance, the atmosphere is pure chaos. Imagine standing there for just 1 second. You wouldn't hear rain, you wouldn't hear thunder, you would hear winds screaming faster than the speed of sound. Neptune has the fastest winds ever discovered in the solar system. Some storms reach over 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's strong enough to tear entire weather systems apart. One storm in particular shocked astronomers, a gigantic vortex called the Great Dark Spot. A storm so enormous, Earth itself could disappear inside it. Around this dark storm, scientists noticed strange white streaks floating through the atmosphere. Thin curling clouds that loomed almost like strands of hair. These were cirrus clouds, but unlike Earth's clouds made from water vapor, Neptune's clouds are formed from frozen ice crystals, which reveals something terrifying. The upper atmosphere of Neptune is unimaginably cold. So cold that an ultra-fast weather system known as the scooter cloud can race around the entire planet in only 16 effect powerful enough to energize the atmosphere. But many researchers weren't fully convinced. A planet that distant, powered by trace sunlight alone, something felt missing. Then scientists turned their attention toward Neptune's largest moon, Triton. And Triton is not normal. Almost every major moon in the solar system orbits in the same direction as its planet rotates. Triton does the exact opposite. That strange orbit led scientists to a shocking idea. Triton may not have formed near Neptune at all. It may have been captured. Researchers believe Triton originally wandered through the distant Kuiper Belt before Neptune's gravity trapped it billions of years ago.
And when that happened, the entire Neptune system may have descended into chaos. Triton's gravity could have destabilized smaller moons, forcing many of them to spiral inward and crash directly into Neptune. Imagine gigantic celestial bodies slamming into the atmosphere at unimaginable speeds. The friction alone would release massive amounts of heat.
Scientists think those ancient collisions may still influence Neptune today. And methane? It may simply be trapping leftover heat from those catastrophic events. For a while, that theory sounded promising. Then Neptune broke the rules again. Since 2005, Neptune's southern hemisphere has been experiencing summer. And because one Neptune year equals 165 Earth years, that summer will continue for decades. So naturally, astronomers expected temperatures to rise. Instead, Neptune cooled down. Infrared observations between 2006 and 2020 revealed something unbelievable. The planet's global temperature dropped by nearly 8 degrees. Not warmer, colder. Scientists were stunned. To explain this, researchers proposed something called radiative cooling time, or RCT. The idea is that different atmospheric layers hold and release heat differently. Deep beneath Neptune's clouds, heat may remain trapped for extremely long periods, while the upper atmosphere cools rapidly. So Neptune's warmth might still exist, hidden far below the surface. But there was another problem. Methane absorbs infrared radiation extremely well, which means Neptune's atmosphere may actually be masking its own heat from our instruments. In other words, the planet might not truly be as cold as it appears. And recently, scientists uncovered an even stranger possibility. A gas nobody expected to find there. researchers now believe sunlight may be breaking apart methane molecules in Neptune's atmosphere through a process called photolysis. Those fragments then recombine to form ethane, and when chemical bonds form, energy is released. So shouldn't Neptune glow hotter? Maybe not. Because Neptune's winds are so insanely fast, the energy may spread throughout the atmosphere almost instantly before any region has time to heat up significantly. Meaning Neptune could actually be warming itself, while hiding the evidence at the same time. And here's the craziest part. Humanity barely knows this planet. NASA has sent multiple missions to Jupiter and Saturn. But Neptune? Only one spacecraft has ever visited it, Voyager 2, and Neptune wasn't even its main destination. Almost everything humanity knows about this distant world comes from a single mission. So that ends today. Most people watch, but never support the channel. 100% of people not subscribe our channel. One subscribe helps me make more space videos. We are just reaching 20 subscribe. You watch the mysteries of the universe. Support the journey too.